I was walking along, I felt kind of light in a mysterious way. So I started to skip, then I started to run, then I started to float away. I spread my arms, I held my breath, my feet dangled out behind me. I flew down the street and over my school and away where no one could find me. I floated away, flying, flying high above all that I'd known. I floated away, flying, flying far, far away from my home. I flew low over rivers in dangerous jungles. The crocodiles snapped their jaws at my feet. I laughed as I flew up into the treetops, where I dined with the monkeys on dinosaur meat. I sang with the birds as we flew to the mountains and whirled round the peaks covered in snow. Then we dove through the clouds and down to the valley, where the farmers thought I was a flying scarecrow.